Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're venturing to the beautiful Mornington Peninsula in Victoria, Australia, to explore a stunning new rural home that blends seamlessly with its environment. This house wasn't built just for comfort and beauty. It's a testament to sustainable living. The owners, a hands-on couple with a passion for the environment, played a key role in shaping the design. From replacing a non-permeable tennis court with wetlands to incorporating solar passive design and air source heat pumps, every element minimizes the home's environmental impact. The eco-conscious approach extends to the materials used. Reclaimed granite stone from a nearby quarry adds a touch of history and texture to the exterior. Inside, rich Australian hardwood takes center stage, minimizing the need for plasterboard. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere while showcasing the beauty of local materials. While the house is spacious, it's designed to adapt. With clever zoning and sliding doors, the living areas can be easily adjusted to suit the needs of a couple or a larger family. The strategically placed east-facing courtyard provides year-round enjoyment, offering private family spaces and areas perfect for entertaining, all with seamless connections to the outdoors. The architects paid close attention to the existing landscape, incorporating mature trees and established features into the design. A large basement with minimal driveway disruption ensures the home integrates seamlessly with its surroundings. The upper floor's compact footprint further minimizes its visual impact on the environment. This stunning home is a true collaboration between the architects, the passionate owners, and the unique Mornington Peninsula environment. It's a testament to what can be achieved when sustainability, local knowledge, and timeless design come together. Would you love to live in a sustainable home like this one? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring sustainable architecture explorations.